Greetings to the moto vlogging community, subscribers and fellow YouTubers alike. Triketacular here, just out for a walk today, and I thought I would update you on this townhome complex that I've done a few videos of in the past. They've really come along quite a bit. I think some of the last videos I was showing, they still had the dump trucks coming along and leveling out the land. So they're a 3-story townhome complex. They're still building some here along on the back end. There's no occupancy yet. They still have the interiors to do. I was hoping to do a vlog one day when they have an open house, but they haven't had one yet. As you can see, they're pretty close together, and they recently put these little black fencing up here to block the garage doors, I guess, from people trying to get in. They've done quite a bit of landscaping, but they are close together. I was telling one of the workers here one day that you could almost reach across one of the patios with a hockey stick and pass your neighbor a cup of sugar. Rather windy today, so I hope the audio is coming out okay. They put up fencing here. This is the little cul-de-sac where the main entrance is. Quite a bit of landscaping, but during the hot summer quite a few of the cedar trees have died, even though they had an automated sprinkling system set up in here. There's one car there. Maybe they're working on the interior. I see a lady inside that unit 2 doing something. I think they were telling me there's about 28 units in here. Not very compatible for seniors, though. I would say 3 stories. There's about 15 steps leading from the garage entrance to the main floor, and if you've got bad knees or a bad back, carrying up several bags of groceries could be a challenge. And then leading up to the 3rd floor, I noticed when I went in to explore, the staircase is very narrow. They didn't have up hand railings yet, so I'm glad I'm not the movers that have to bring in the appliances up to the main floor, because even that is a narrow stairwell with a turn in the staircase. So that's going to be pretty heavy, carrying up the refrigerator and stove, dishwasher. But I guess it will be suitable more so for young families, young children. I looked on their website, though. They're ranging from around, I believe it is $850,000 Canadian. So believe it or not, that is a little lower price, because the average price now for a single dwelling unit in our city is over $1 million Canadian. It just boggles the mind how young people are going to be able to afford a home these days. So many of the jobs are part-time, where you're lucky to get possibly 4 to 6 hours of work, maybe 3 days a week. And then if you have to travel, say 20 miles or so to your job, you don't have much left for rent. The gas prices eat up all your savings. So the developer had to build this fence here. This is supposedly an environmentally sensitive area. There's a little stream in there, although I've never seen any water in there, maybe a couple centimeters if that, but it is protected. The city deems it environmentally sensitive, and I guess as part of the agreement with this townhome, the developer had to put in this fence and a little gravel trail there. I used to walk through there. There was another path in there, but there's a back alley with some residential homes, and they have a rather vicious sounding dog in there, and there is a walk-through gate in there, and most of the time that's open, so I was feeling a little uneasy about walking in there, so I just like to stay in this open area, gravel parking lot. So I hope everyone is doing well and able to get out and ride if you can. My riding season is done for the year. I let my insurance on the bike run out in about mid-October, because it just starts getting cooler and quite a bit of rain, and it's not a comfortable, enjoyable ride. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little update of this townhome complex in our city. So until next time, this is Triketacular, wishing everyone a pleasant day. Take care and ride safe. Bye-bye.